Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a lot of humidity in the air, and as a result, that's leading to some fog along the shoreline. Now, Doppler radar still in a lull, and overall, I'm not expecting any widespread precipitation or thunderstorm activity this evening, though the chance is still there sometime between roughly 7 and 10 o'clock in the evening, maybe an isolated shower in spots. But as I mentioned earlier, plans to be outdoors, certainly don't cancel any dinner reservations and things like that. It's mainly quiet in terms of that regarding precipitation. You can see the reduced visibility along the shoreline. When you take very high humidity like we have right now and you pass it over water that's still very cool, it condenses that humidity. You get low clouds and fog. When you're further removed from the ocean, you don't have the fog problem here in downtown Providence, though it is humid. Temperature at 63 and a southwest breeze at 14. Humidity now coming in at 84%. So temperatures now range from the low 60s inland to the 50s, mid and upper 50s along the coastline. Very mild. Hard to believe we're talking about cold temperatures and snow by the latter part of the weekend. So mainly cloudy and dry. I'm tracking this cold front through upstate New York. Out ahead of it, a few isolated showers. This is tracking off to the east and southeast. So from roughly 7 until 10 o'clock in the evening when you're out, you may hit a quick 15-20-minute shower, and then that's it. And then things will tend to quiet down and dry out during the overnight. Our next weather maker, of all places, is north of Winnipeg up in Canada. Area of low pressure will dive across the Great Lakes and intensify rapidly late Saturday night into early Sunday morning, dragging in cold air, gusty winds, and bringing a brief burst of snow early Sunday morning. We'll talk about that in just a second. Winter still up in Canada. This colder air will drive down late Saturday night into Sunday. Huge change in temperature by the latter part of the weekend. We'll get in real close, take a look at your futurecast starting off this evening. And again, an isolated shower coming through the first part of the night. Can't be ruled out. By 11 o'clock, any shower activity is gone. Tomorrow morning, waking up to clouds in the upper 40s, shield of rain working in by mid-morning, and really lasting all throughout the day into the afternoon. 1 o'clock, cool rain showers, temperatures between 50 and 55, and scattered showers continue into tomorrow evening. So for tomorrow morning, waking up to clouds and rain that's offshore will move back in. So I would keep the umbrellas on standby both tomorrow morning and even into tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures are not cold, but not as warm as it was today. Looking at a 51-degree temperature reading Saturday morning with the showers, and then during the afternoon, still keep the umbrella on standby. Looking at high temps that'll range in the low to middle 50s. Now, Saturday evening, Saturday night is fine. It's really not until the pre-dawn hours of Sunday. Here's how it breaks down. A brief burst of snow between 3 and 9 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. Could even be the rumble of thunder with some of this snow. At this point, we're talking just a small amounts, perhaps up to an inch. It's going to have a very difficult time sticking to the pavement, so I'm not concerned about the roads, but it will stick to grassy surfaces and car tops. Once it pulls away, gusty wind on Sunday and sharply colder temperatures. There's your 7-day futurecast. In fact, if anything, by Sunday afternoon, the sun will come out. So this is just a quick shot of snow before things improve sunshine-wise on Sunday, but it doesn't help the temperature. Another system with cold rain and wet snow on Monday with chilly temperatures early next week and a high only near 40. Good timing with this because a lot of us are at home already early Sunday morning, and it won't last very long.
All right. Thank you, Tony.